You woke me up so many times. Why? Terrorist. So handsome. And this one? Oh, yes. Well, it's not quite as like bright and spectacular as the other morning, but kind of into this. Little moody. It's calm. There's no midges. I think it's a little chilly. Where are you, Foxy? He kept me awake last night. I don't know what his deal was. My legs, I couldn't move. Like, I don't mind him sleeping on my legs, but he was just excessive last night. I actually really like him sleeping on my legs, but and he would like start kicking me and scratching me, and then at one point he was up like sleeping on my head, like wanting attention. And like I probably look tired today, but I'm one of those people, like, one night of broken sleep, I am fucking useless. Like, I do not function on broken sleep. I need a solid 8 hours, or I am just like, something doesn't work properly if I'm tired. But also, I impulsively cut all my hair off with my packing scissors in the bathroom. The good thing about curly hair is you can kind of like, you've got a little bit more room to wiggle with, like when you cut it yourself. Like, if you do it terribly, the curls just kind of hide it. But yes, it's very short, but it's I quite like it. But I've noticed I've still got drips of water in it. I have to like every morning with curly hair, you have to kind of like wet it and do the thing. Alright kids, first job of the day. I finished this yesterday. Oiled, painted, but I need to oil the back. I just use Danish oil. Like, nobody's going to see the back, but it's best for them to be completely weatherproof. Next job, I am warping my little rigid header loom to make a pair of coasters to head off to a very nearby stockist. There's a hand spun warp, so it's a little chunkier, but I just think it makes the coasters feel like more substantial, which I think is nice for a really small woven piece. Like, at the minute you'll notice I'm literally working on like a piece of wood balanced on some boxes, but I do plan on putting like a proper desk here, but I don't want to buy one. I'm waiting for a good one to come up on Facebook Marketplace. I'm waiting for a 20 quidder. If you're on the Isle of Skye and you want rid of a desk and it's not hideous, I'm a little picky. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. Might be time. Second breakfast. If you're wondering what that is, it's one of the best things I've ever bought. This is our TV, a little tablet, and it means we can bend it down like that, have it anywhere, sit in bed, and watch something. Short hair, looks quite cute in the helmet. That's my riding camp. You can come with me. Oh, he's making me feel bad. He knows I'm going. It's the chickens. It's okay. It's alright. Everyone chill. Which way are you going? I'll go this way. Now, if you look in front of me, there's 2 deer. Here we go. Oh, 3. It's okay. Please don't jump in front of me. That was cool. I'll get off just in case I spook them. Mine likes to chase bikes and he's a pure lunatic, so you never know. So this hill made me sweat my bollocks off last time, and honestly I'm not even going to try it. I'm not here to win awards. So the only bit of that ride that I had to do was going to the post office, which I've done, but instead of turning around I'm going a little bit further, and then Stephen finishes work like now, so then he can come and pick me up. But the route I'm planning on doing means I have to ride just a short stretch on that main road. I'm a little nervous, but it'll be okay, and it's got a... Okay, we're fucking going for it. I know it's only, like, look, it's literally there, right? But this road is the only main road going through Skye. You get a lot of tourists, people driving a bit wacky, people driving on the wrong side of the road. Woo-hoo! I'm a big brave girl. There we go, onto a nice, quiet, single track lane. That's what we like. Excuse me. Thank you. So scary. Well, is this not absolutely perfect? I'm going to stop for a minute. This quiet little track and just the sheep, like, this makes me like I've said it before, this makes me want to stop bikepacking. Like being able to ride out to somewhere like this and just set up a little tent. Oh, the temptation. I've got to get my bike over this little stream to get to the bridge. This one first, because I went the wrong way. Ah, I see the track. Fucking dingleberry. There we go. Do we ride it? Oh shit. Oh shit. I lost my balance there. Another little push. I could probably ride this, but I'm done in, man. Oh, look, here it is. It's a big hill. Oh, hi, puppy. Foxy. Come on, cheeky boy. What are you going to do now?